If you have 25 minutes, what would you choose to do? Watch a TV play? Play a game? Now, Helicute Long Flight Peter Drone, which has 2000 mAh high-capacity battery, gives you a super long flying time at 25 minutes. Fashionable design, HD camera, and stable function. 25 minutes gives you enough time to see the world from a different view. Let's start at once. Enjoy a flying game. Link to app, real-time transmission, enjoying flying features. It also has latest functions such as gesture photo, gesture video, and so on. Open the app, show V gesture. After recognizing, it will automatically take pictures in 3 seconds. Show the hand gesture, the drone will start the recording function. Powerful function, long flying time. Enjoy every wonderful minute of life. Look, different functions, 360-degree flip, headless mode. Every moment, we are enjoying the flying pleasure by Long Flight Petrol Drone. 25 minutes bring more possibilities for you. Look, that's great. It's still flying.